As earlier we have discussed ROC. There are three categories: required, optional, and conditional match. Select the appropriate combination of general data or company code data processing option for screen to change. Edit, select all the select field group listed under the general data and company code data. Press enter to continue. Use the left F7 or right F8 arrow at the top left of the screen to navigate between the different general data and company code data screen. Company code data. Look right side of the screen, that is FK02, FK02 showing, and vendor number here, vendor number 101841, and company code below general data and company code data. General data contains address, controls, payment transaction, accounting information, payment transaction, correspondence, withholding tax. Fill up the vendor code, fill up the company code, check the checkboxes of the general data like address, control, and payment transactions. Check the checkbox of company code data like accounting information, payment transaction, correspondence address, and withholding taxes, and then press in necessary changes on vendor address screen and press enter to go to the next screen. Enter the necessary changes on change vendor control screen and press enter to go to the next screen. Enter the necessary changes on the vendor changes payment transaction and then press enter to change next screen. Enter the necessary changes on the vendor screen change accounting information screen and press the go to the enter. Enter the necessary changes on the change vendor payment transaction accounting screen and press enter to go to the next screen. Enter the necessary changes on the changes vendor correspondence screen and press enter to go to the next screen. To save the changes uh, were made to the master record and select vendor save or control S. Third, display of vendor master record via path accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, master record or display. Otherwise, you can change by display of vendor by T code using FK03 or XK03. Display vendor master record, business process description overview. Vendor master data is the data required to conduct business relationship with your vendors. It includes address, data, and terms of payment data. For example, it also controls how business transactions are posted to a vendor account and how the posted data is proceeds. Steps. On the screen display vendor, enter the information specified in the field in the table. Like these are the mandatory fields: vendor, account number, and company code. In which company code you want to search this vendor. Select the appropriate combination of general data and company code by using the screen and to change, edit. Select all the fields group listed under the general data and company code data. Press enter or F7, F8 to execute.